Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. We're just gonna do a quick video of cleaning your products, right? So we have here my go-to or custom method. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the videos, thumbs up. If you dislike them, thumbs down, right? Before I get into what we gonna clean, it's just gonna be a quick. I just got done cutting and I'm gonna be gone for a couple of days. So I just thought, why not, right? So of course you got different options. This is your Cool Care. This is something that you spray on your clippers every cut. Not every now and then, not for different, different days, different textures, after every cut. And the reason you do that after every cut, first of all, keep everything cool, keep everything running smooth. So a lot of people, they'll talk about their trimmers and clippers not cutting the same and all that stuff. Sometimes if you open up your clippers, so on Sundays, some Sundays, not every Sunday, but some Sundays I'll come in and I'll open up my clippers and trimmers and get as much as I can out of them, especially when I used to use like corded stuff because they was a lot easier to open on some of the products. But I will open them, and I got you can use either your blow dryer or a compressor, just to blow the hair out. So you want to make sure you keeping your clippers clean after every cut. That's going to help everything run smooth, go through the clippers go through the hair without any problem, not snagging on anything. So that's one of your options. You got the clipper oil. And again, you sprayed it. You don't use this after every cut. So I guess you can, but I use this at the end of every night. At the end of every night, I'll put it on all my clippers and trimmers and even some of my, of course, your shavers. You can put some oil in between, on your shears, keep everything loose or lubricant. You know what I'm saying? So this is not a coolant or anything. This is just to make sure that everything moves smoothly. That's why if you buy a new clipper or a new trimmer, if you look at the blade, if you take it off and you look at the blade that I have oil on it, that's so that, when it's traveling, nothing getting stuck together. The blade's not only when it's traveling, but, a lot of the clippers and trimmers and stuff, they sit on the shelf at the store. You don't know how long they're going to be there. So they put oil on them just so everything moves smoothly. All right. Then you got your blade wash. Your blade wash is cleaning everything, right? This is your final solution, right? So when I use this, so every cut, every night, once a week, right? And of course, there's different techniques to cleaning everything, right? So I'll put in a little, clip of everything and how we're gonna clean it, right? So of course, before you spray or anything, you're gonna brush off everything and make sure you get the loose hair off of everything, right? And then we're gonna go into spraying. So I'm doing this all today because I'm leaving for a couple days. I ain't leaving, but I won't be at work for a couple days. You're gonna spray oil, and since it's my last day of the week, you use the blade wash. All right.